Flyers. Walker goes cross corner for Aho. Aho trying to spin away from Orlov. Orlov pestering his former teammate. Aho coming up with a puck. He's going to draw a penalty, and they score! As Bussy's heading to the bench, it's Walker delivering a laser, and the Canes.
Carolina sends it off the glass and down to center. 4.5 deep into period 2. It's 1-0 Carolina. Here's William Eklund in, scores! Eklund with his first of the year.
Centering attempt, that's knocked down. Gostisbehere looks to clear. You'll get help. What a veteran play there by Stahl. And now Martinook with it. Martinook looking. Nikishin holds, and it stays out. Then on the follow through, they'll score. Carrier gets to the rebound. Oh, what good follow through. Nikishin put it on net. With the lead, Bussy helps this one around. He'll get back to the net. That was read by Goodrow. Barclay Goodrow with it now. Trying to stuff it out in front. Bussy! Robin Gaudette! And now Carolina setting this in. Robinson's onside. Robinson! He scores! A little backhander, and Eric Robinson! He stays red hot. His second of the season, and it's a 3-1 lead. Away from home. Sharks, meanwhile, at home were 12-27-2. As the Canes work this free, and here comes Hall. Hall sends it across Stankoven, drops it. Gostisbehere, they score! Oh, beautiful tic-tac-toe. And the Ghosts, near Halloween, pay a visit to...
What Freddie was talking about with me this morning, the human being part of it.
Thank you for that, Hannah. Very thoughtful. As now Carolina lets one go, and they score! A huge shot from Jackson Blake. No hesitation. And it's 5-1 Carolina.